Hello everyone, in this video I will show you that how can you send handwritten messages on iMessage on your iOS device. So it's very simple. Just open the messages app on your iOS device. Now choose a contact from your existing conversation or start a new message by tapping on the pencil icon on the top right corner. Now after choosing the contact, you have to access the handwriting feature. To access it, you have to go to the landscape mode. Make sure you have turned off this lock orientation option. After that, you will get an option next to the return key. If you tap on it, now you can choose anything, or you can also use this pre-written messages. After writing a message, then tap on done, and now you can send it. That's it. Your handwritten message will be sent to the contact. If the contact is also using an iOS device, they should be able to see your handwritten message in the conversation. So this is how you can send handwritten message to any contact in iOS. Thank you everyone.